Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can delete your account on Base44. So let us guide you through this. So start by navigating to Base44. If you're in the app designer, you will need to return to the home screen by clicking into that Base44 icon in the top left. Here guys, what you want to do is on the home screen is click into your username in the bottom left and select account settings. From there, navigate to account settings here on the left hand side. Go through that list here, and at the very bottom, scroll down if needed, click into delete account. And after that, as you can see guys, this menu will be expanded. So to confirm it, click into this button, and then to submit the request guys, click into this button again. Just remember guys that they give a time span of 7 days to revoke the request or to cancel it. So within that 7 days, you will keep access to your account and all projects, profiles, and so on and so forth. And after these 7 days, your account will be removed unless you cancel the request, of course. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.